Hi there. Welcome to an overview of Variant Wizard. After installing Variant Wizard, you'll be brought into the dashboard. And from here, you can see pricing profiles, recent job activity, and a set of quick actions. The app is built with Shopify Polaris, so it really feels native to the admin, which was the goal. Let me go through and create my new first pricing profile. In this case, I'm going to name it NASA Prints. My use case is prints today, but you could use this powerful tool for any set of different products that you may be selling on your shop. Things like apparel for sizing and colors, maybe finish options, or materials that you offer on your shop. Depending on how many options or variants you do have for each of your products or a collection of products, you can choose up to 5, and the tool will generate a pricing matrix based on those options. In my case, I'm going to choose 2 today so that we can get through this demo real quick. For option number 2, I'm going to choose frame type. After I create my 2 options, in this case size and frame type, I then have to enter the values that are associated with each item. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to choose different sizes, 8 by 10, 11 by 14, and 16 by 20 for my size options. And for my frame type values, I'm going to choose unframed, wood frame, and black frame. You could choose any number of things, and really the power of the tool itself is that it generates a pricing matrix for each variant that you have in your shop. So after I click Generate Pricing Matrix, I'm going to see a table, and I'm going to have the ability to set prices for each of those items in my shop. In this case, I'm going to make the math super easy so we can get through this 5, 10, 15, 20. And again, you can actually choose a compare at price as well within the tool itself, and that will give you the ability to set a compare at price that you can show on the front end to your customers. I'm going to create that profile. Once that profile is created, you can get an overview of what you've done with this profile template. You can see that we actually haven't assigned it to any collections yet, which is the next step. So I'm going to manage assignments. I'm going to choose the template that we just created, NASA Prints, that has 9 values, and it's not assigned to any collections yet. I'm going to choose my NASA collection, which is a series of products on my shop that this will assign it to, and I'll save that assignment. I have successfully assigned this collection to, or this template to that collection. You can see it here. After you've assigned it to that collection, you do need to go through and apply that template each time. Essentially, we need to map our template to a collection, and then we also need to go through and preview what we're updating and adding to that collection or products. In this case, I can preview the results. I can see that this is 54 variants across 6 different products, and they'll be replaced with 54 variants. All additional details for that update can be seen here. And I do have to click to confirm and apply this update, just so that customers, merchants understand that this will replace the existing variants on your products or collection of products. I'm going to apply that template to the products. I'll be brought to a progress screen. This will show my progress. You can navigate away from this page, and after it completes, I'll be able to see any errors and what's been done. It shows you the time and the duration and that it's been completed. I can then go into my products. I can go into my collections, and I can choose my collection, which in this case I've applied that template to my NASA collection. I can click into an individual product and see that my variants have been updated. 8 by 10 has unframed, wood frame, and black frame, and all those prices have been updated, 5, 10, 15. And of course, that applies to the different variants in addition to the sizes that I've added. I'll go back to Variant Wizard and just real quick show you all the plans that are available. Variant Wizard offers 4 different plans: free, basic, pro, and premium. And each plan includes compare at pricing, multi-option templates, and bulk collection application. And the plans really just scale based on the number of templates that you need for your shop and the number of products you want to apply those templates to. Merchants can easily choose to upgrade or downgrade at any time directly from the screen, and billing is handled via Shopify's billing system, so easy peasy. I'll go back to the dashboard, and from here, merchants can always get an overview of how they're using Variant Wizard, right? We have one template that's configured, we have it assigned to one collection, and we have no jobs running at the moment. Jobs can take a little bit if users, or merchants in this case, need to apply their templates to thousands of products, hundreds of products even. It does take a little bit of time to go through and update all those items. I can also see my template usage, and again, see recent jobs that were ran. And that's honestly a complete overview of Variant Wizard and the experience from installation to bulk pricing updates in just a few minutes. Super excited about this new item and app for Shopify. Thanks.